Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Cloudflare with GoDaddy domain. All right, let's begin. First, go to cloudflare.com and create a free account. Once your account is ready, choose the free plan. After signing in, go to Websites and click Get Started. It will prompt you to enter your domain name. To get it, log into your GoDaddy account, go to your username, and select My Products. Find your domain, click DNS, then copy your domain name. Paste that into Cloudflare and click Continue. Choose the free plan again. Cloudflare will now scan for existing DNS records. Scroll down and continue through this step. Next, Cloudflare will ask you to add name servers. Copy the first name server provided. Go back to GoDaddy, open your domain settings, and navigate to Name Servers. Click Change Name Servers, then select Use My Own Name Servers. Paste the first name server in Name Server 1 and the second one in Name Server 2. Click Save. After saving, GoDaddy may ask for email verification. Once verified, return to Cloudflare, where you'll go through a few more confirmation screens. Make sure each toggle is checked and click Save on each step. Finally, click Finish. Cloudflare will now begin processing the name server changes. This may take up to 24 hours to complete. So that's basically how you can set up Cloudflare with GoDaddy domain. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.